Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a DWP 111267. It's a push-on door seal for the 6772 GM trucks with the molded corner. We also offer the original glue-on style Weatherstrip, which is a DWP 111067. On a difficulty scale 1 to 5, 5 being the most difficult, it's about a 1. It's a pretty simple job. Tools you'll need are Weatherstrip installation tool, screwdriver. The first thing you need to do for removal is remove the sill plate via the 4 Phillips head screws right here. They should lift right up. Now you can remove the old Weatherstrip. Once you get the old door Weatherstrip off, you may need to go back and clean up the old adhesive, and for that we recommend a Weatherstrip installation tool and some adhesive remover to get the pinch hole nice and clean for the installation of the new Weatherstrip. Now this part has the molded corner, and that's going to go in the A-pillar right here. And the way you tell left hand from the right hand side, in case you get it mixed up, is this part is going to be the longer section because we have it designed so the seam is at the bottom of the sill plate. So simply hold it up, and whichever one is the longer side is the side that goes here. Okay, we're going to start in the corner here. Get the corner started, make sure you got it pushed all the way in. And then simply work your way around, making attention that you seat it all the way in the corners. Put it all the way around the door and back down to the bottom. The seams in the middle like we want. It may appear to be a little too long, but you really want it about 1 inch too long. So then we're going to put the 2 ends together like this and then work our way back to the corners. Work out any extra material. And you're ready to put the sill plate back on. Now the door Weatherstrip's all on, everything's down, we're ready to close the door and test her out. Thanks for viewing. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe as we're always adding new videos. You can always follow us on our social media outlets, which you'll find in the description. See you next time.